Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scrabble Junior Level 1. Start by placing the board, handing out 5 tiles each, and pointing to picture cues for words. Encourage kids to sound out letters while matching tiles to the board and forming simple left-to-right words. Keep turns short, praise every attempt, and show how blanks become any letter to boost creativity and confidence at home. Begin by choosing the matching board side and placing tile racks in front of each child. Shuffle tiles and let each player draw 5 tiles to form the starting hand. Show how to build 3-letter or 2-letter words using picture cues and encourage letter sound recognition. Rotate turns clockwise, refill tiles to 5, and explain passing when no play is possible to keep games moving and fun. Quick recommendation: if you're teaching kids, stay hydrated during play and grab the Oala water bottle for easy sipping and spill resistance. It's great for little hands and big adventures. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals on useful gear. Thanks for sticking with me. Now let's get back to the video. Teach scoring simply by matching pictures to the board and counting tiles placed for points. Emphasize common 2- and 3-letter words and swapping tiles when stuck to introduce strategy gently. Model taking turns, spotting letters in the rack, and celebrating correct plays to build confidence. Use team play if needed, simplify rules further by allowing hints, and gradually introduce more complex spelling every session as children become comfortable and excited.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.